Do you have a Weber grill that basically doesn't light any of the second or third burners? Well, the problem is the crossover tube. Now, the best way is to just replace the tube, but if you can't or don't want to do that at the moment, you can clean them. Now, this is a little tedious, but you're going to grab a screwdriver. Very small tip. In this case, this is a Craftsman's 41541. And you're going to go through each little slot and then poke every single one. Now, this tube is way past its life. It's rusted through in a couple spots. I mean, there's a giant hole here. I mean, this thing is done for. Okay? This side's decent, but it's missing the top. But you're going to need to replace it when it's this bad. I have one in order. But if you need to get your grill going, or yours is not as bad, and you don't want to spend the $40 or $80, whatever it is, to buy the kit or just replace the crossover tube, in this case, you could just poke holes. Take it out, poke holes, and then make sure you shake it out, because you will have a mess, especially if as clogged as this one was. This is a dumpster grill I picked up on the side of the road, and now I just fixed it. So now we can turn it on, and it's going to fire all of them. With no lighter. That's all you need to do. Clean the crossover tube using a screwdriver. Simple fix. You can have it done in 5 minutes.